The high bank service fees charged on customers by commercial banks continues to be discussed amongst individual bank customers in their little circles. But it is becoming a growing concern amongst big business houses and small to medium entrepreneurs, also with the banks charging higher fees for the different bank services. In a supplementary question raised by the Layagam Pogera MP in Parliament yesterday, the member identified these service fees imposed by commercial banks include withdrawal fees, ATM charges, and overdraft bills.
2% on all our customers across the country. Balance checking fees, EPTOS fees, all these amount to them making huge profit.
But the initial question asked by the Bogia MP relates to concerns on banking processes that are put in place, especially by the Bank South Pacific or BSP. In responding to these concerns, the Treasurer said when he meets with the heads of commercial banks, including Governor of the Bank of Papua New Guinea, the discussions will focus on streamlining processes and procedures used by the private sector to ease banking needs for the public sector.
Mr. Speaker, I intend, after this session of Parliament, to call a meeting with the heads of the commercial banks together with the Governor for the Bank of Papua New Guinea, together with the relevant officers in Treasury and Finance, have a round-table meeting, identify exactly where the issues are, and to try and see where we can amend some of those very stringent regulations that have been approved and practiced by the banks.
But while these discussions are only beginning, customers will continue to be charged high banking service fees until amendments are passed in Parliament to relax bank fees charged on customers. And this can take up to months, if not years.
It's important to note that government has no oversight and no control over these decisions by the Bank of South Pacific and other commercial banks.
Thekla Gunga, National EMTV News.